Welcome to Da Nang, to the Han market. We're not gonna go in because we already filmed this, but we're gonna show you a little bit around the Han market. What's going on here? Lots of sales going on here. Beautiful. There are some nice hats. Let's check this out. I like hats. I wanna have a hat. Maybe this stylish Gucci hat? I don't know. So all around the Han market there are so many stores and they are like boutiques. They're still selling you lots of branded products which are questionable if they are authentic. But you can get a lot of things here, even jewelry or anything you want. Here in the Han market you can also get very good are the mangoes. Marcus already bought mangoes and beef jerky. So very, very tasty. So this is the Han market. We filmed this the last time. I will put it in the description. Here you can buy some good smelling things. I'm not sure what it is. Some combs. Even a little bit of a tobacco pipe. Interesting. Here you can have some coffee. Weasel poop coffee. Marcus is getting sold again. Oh, Marcus loves to buy things. So it's raining again, guys. But I want to bring you actually to the church because it's Christmas. So I want to bring you to the church. So join me on this little walk here to the church. Very interesting. There are left and right very good shops, and at the end it's going to be a pink, beautiful church. And I will also link down below the video I did today on my main channel. So check this one out too. Merry Christmas everyone, and let's start. Okay. Okay guys, I don't know what is going on here. Is this police? I'm not sure. Oh no, it is emergency. Okay, so here you can get actually a lot of... Oh, what is that? I'm a little bit overwhelmed right now. It's a store, a clothing store with Supreme. What is that? You can get all kinds, this Hermes, Supreme. So guys, if you like Supreme or Chanel, Marcus, maybe you walk on the left, like, so he doesn't get wet. Marcus does not care about the weather. He's from Hamburg. Okay, so here, left and right, everywhere, everything around the Han market, you can buy things here. It's crazy. Pretty much everything you wish. Even very good tailored suits. I did a video about my wedding suit where I went to the tailor here in Da Nang. I will also link it down below on my main channel. So it's like very, very good quality. Okay guys. We are approaching the pink church, I think.
There's another Bikini Bottom.
Yes, there's another Bikini Bottom. So as you know, Bikini Bottom is one of the most popular places in the Antung 2 Street, in the expert tourist town of the Antung. And they have a Bikini Bottom here as well. And it's right next to the church. We got a lot of flower shops here. Coffee shops. It's a little bit tough to walk here with the umbrella. But as you can see, it's still raining. And I hope it stops soon. Oh, that's good. It's a banh mi place and a rice place. A sticky rice place. And look at this beautiful church. Especially now during Christmas. We're gonna go a little bit closer. Oh, and this is also a brand new hotel. No, this is Satya. That's not brand new. I think the brand new hotel is on the right. But we're gonna cross now and I will show you the beautiful bridge here. Not bridge, the beautiful church here. It's a little bit tough to cross the street here. Woo! Yeah. And this is how it looks. What color is this church? Pastel? Hey, come to me, Marcus.
I have I would not say it's rosé, maybe something.
Yeah. I mean, I would call it pink, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I mean, there are always some very interesting.
But you know, it's known that men don't see colors.
We're colorblind.
Yeah. almost colorblind.
And there's a pink spa right away there too. This is a brand new hotel, M Village. Look at this building. This looks phenomenal. I think they just opened up a month ago. I'm definitely gonna do a review on this too, because it looks very stylish. Look at the outside, dude. Yeah.
Nice.
Come, hug me.
Oh, you can't see. Oh, sorry.
Okay. So here's a golf store. Interesting. 20% for all. Okay. What is also very interesting here, they have lots of good restaurants here. Pho, mi quang, everything. And lots of these local street vendors. And this whole area in the Haichao area of Da Nang is very good with very good food. Let's see if we can find Marcus a barbershop here.
Yeah, to make it handsome.
Yeah, and then he can also stay in the dry. It's so nasty, the weather. Now the rain comes from the side too. Oh, look at this. Brothers here.
Oh, endless summer. But I think this is fake news. Endless summer.
Endless summer. You want to check it out?
Yeah, I want to check it out.
So this is a barber shop. Okay, let's check out this barber shop here in the hotel. Let's see how much it is for a haircut. Oh yeah, just ask how much it is. Or do you want?
We have a commodity.
Yeah. Oh yeah, okay.
This category is for haircut, two options. This one is press cut include haircut, a quick shampoo, and the styling took about 30 minutes total, and that will be 380,000 Vietnam dong. This one is our signature. Is you want a treat for yourself? Exactly same haircut, extra 30 minutes of massage. That will be 580.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, guys. It's a little bit 380, but you get a little bit to it. Marcus want to have it nice, so it does not matter. My barber is 150K. I'm gonna link down below my favorite barber in the Anchong area. But look at this, how many chocolate stores there are here. Phenomenal. If you have a sweet tooth, you should definitely come here and check out all those chocolate places. I think my room should be Vietnamese, if I'm not wrong. And lots of other places there. I'm gonna show you a little bit around now. Those little side streets which go all the way to the Han Market. Let's go. Whew. It's not easy to film, guys, so I'm sorry if it is a little bit of a shaky vlog. I have to have my umbrella here, and with the umbrella walking here is a little bit tricky. Someone is grilling here. Look at this. Barbecue over here. Nice. So what is this here? This is a restaurant. I think, yes, a Vietnamese restaurant. Pep Que. And you see this? If you are Korean, you always get this whale. Then you get 10% off everywhere. Okay, hello. Oh, no, thank you. Thank you. I had a midnight pho over there once with my friend. And here's also a very good nightclub, guys. I'm gonna show you here something. There's a nightclub here. So here in this area also, there are a few nightclubs, but this is one of them. This is how it looks. Hair of the Dog Club. Okay. So they're usually open at night. And then here's the Karma Lounge. This is also, I think this is, with music wise, I was here exactly 2 years ago on Christmas. It's pretty good. It's how it looks from the outside. They actually have good music here. That's actually the nice thing. They even have an upstairs area, like a little balcony. So this is a nightclub, guys. They even have hookah here. Hookah and cocktails. Right next to it is a Thai market, a Thai restaurant. Authentic Thai eatery. And then here you have some backpacker tourist thing. Not sure what they're selling. Okay guys, and here on the right side, it's a little bit gray and rainy, so you don't see it, but the Dragon Bridge is over there. We are exactly at the Han Market here. There you go, Han Market. And Han River, and the Han Market is straight ahead there. We just took a one huge loop. Okay guys, so this is a little bit tough to walk here with the umbrella. So this is the city center area here, around the Han River. And it's not the most walkable place. So, and it's pretty stressful in my opinion. But it's very beautiful too. I really like this church. And if you want to go in there, you have to go around that and in. Usually they have actually the church doors open at some point, but at the moment it's closed. So you have to go from behind. I think it's open from behind, from the other street. But okay, guys, this is gonna be a short update here about the rainy season in the city center of Da Nang. So please like this video and check out this video I did. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.